Hey guys, so I just wanted to share something with you that I'm super excited about. Something I wish I would have known like a long, long time ago. Something that, from the first day that I started using nonlinear editing, you'd always have a music bed and a track that you would download, and it's never either it's too short or it's not long enough. And you're trying to match to the music, and you have to make a cut in the music, and you have to do everything kind of manually to try to make it fit. And I always felt like I did a pretty decent job at doing that, but it did take some time. So I found this hack that somebody let me know about, and I am super happy about it. So here I am in Premiere, and I'm just kind of, I've got my voice track, and I've got some tracks, some music beds that I've been trying out, but I really wanted to open it all up in Audition. So my music bed that I was using was this called Shooting Stars that I got off of Artlist. And so if I open up Audition, and here's my speaking track. I've got that. I've got a few things that are added to that. I added our talent is in a standing against an LED wall, but we're making it look like it's a like an urban type loft type setup, and so the room is very empty. So I added a little bit of reverb, but I've also added a little bit. The windows open in the background in the shot, or in the plate is what we're calling it. And so I just ran just a little touch of just some urban skyline ambient noise, just to kind of sell that just a little bit better. Added a little bit of reverb too, but that's all that is beside the point. So I have this file that I got off of Artlist again, and I'm just going to drop it in this track 4. And of course it's got, I'm just going to solo it. I don't know if you can hear it all, but I want that part starting right there. So I don't want all this, just the low stuff. I want the, where it gets just a little bit more volume. Then I'm just going to do a little chop here on the end, fade it out. Okay, so but my speaking goes to about a 134-ish, something like that. Let's double check just to make sure. 134.6. So what I want to do is go to Shooting Stars, just click on that track itself, and then go over to Properties. And then what you'll find is under Basic, or I'm sorry, under there should be a tab called Remix, and just arrow down. And first of all, you need to enable it. And what that does is it does all the cutting for you. It says you want this much of the song, and how much time do you want it to be. So I want it to be just extend out a little bit further than the 134. So we'll call it 136 or so. And so you go to target duration, and you go 136, and hit return, and it does it in like a matter of seconds. Now, there's a little bit of an issue, because it goes to, it says over here, it says plus or minus 5 seconds. So you just kind of have to play with it just a little bit to get it exactly where you want it. So it looks like it's a few seconds shorter. So let's just go ahead and extend it on out and play with it just a little bit and call it 140. Let's see what that does. I think that should do it. Yeah, and so here where the jagged lines are, that's where it makes the cut. And so if you listen really close, you can probably hear that it does a little bit of a phasing, like a fade, and you can hear a little bit of that phasing. But it's not that noticeable. And so it does your cut for you. And it's just and almost every time it's like it's not even noticeable to, because this is going to be all the way buried underneath the speaker anyway. I've got it down. This is the track that I'm actually using. This is the one that I'm just showing you how it works, and it's down to like -11, so it runs really low anyway. And it looks like I might have entered in the numbers just a little different, and so I've got 2 cuts in this one, but there's just 1 cut in this one. But you really can't, I mean, you really couldn't tell. I'll play it for you one more time. So you can tell there's something there, but again, once you have it buried, as a music bed, you're going to be, it's going to be great because you'll never be able to tell that. So, but there's a little bit of that magic there, and so just wanted to give you guys that tip. I just learned that, and I've been doing it the manual way for years and didn't even realize this tool was in Audition. So hopefully that helps, and let me know if you have any questions on that, how I'm getting it to work, or if you have any other additional things that you guys are using and want to share that. So thanks for listening.